Okay, so we are up in the Bearlodge Mountains. My sunglasses off so you see me. Melanie has not been up here before, so I brought her up. It's in northeast Wyoming. It's near Devil's Tower. You've probably seen some videos on that. I was just up on a little forest road here showing Melanie a spot that I used to camp quite a bit. Two spots, actually. They're the only two spots in this mountain range I've ever found where you have a cell signal. And this is another one of those interesting spots, too, where there are numerous roads out here where the Forest Service's MVU map, or motor vehicle use map, tells you can camp, you can disperse camp, but there's often nowhere to pull off the road, literally nowhere to pull off the road. So this is one of a few good sites here, and a few years ago somebody put it as a dispersed site. Was not on the internet anywhere, and somebody put it on the internet on one of those campsite databases. I don't know which one. I don't remember now. I've seen it, and ever since, anytime I come up here, there's people here. So another one of those deals anyway. But we're going to go explore, show Melanie around to some of the scenery around here. It's really lovely. It's not you don't have the high peaks like you do in the Bighorns. These are smaller mountains, but it is gorgeous. How could a man not love a woman whose only question is it too muddy? Here we go. Why did the road end suddenly? This road is not even on my map, so I don't even know where we're going. But it's pretty. It's an adventure. It's deteriorating, but hey, we found another campsite. Fire ring and all, so, you know. Never a waste exploring. I just love scenes like this. Okay, so we're rolling down into, on the forest road into Cook Lake. And Cook Lake's a very popular local recreation area, National Forest recreation area. So we'll give you a little peek around here. So as I mentioned earlier, this is the Bearlodge Mountains. It's actually part of the Black Hills National Forest, the Wyoming part. So we're just taking a quick look around, showing Melanie what's here. But this is kind of a very popular local recreation area. Well, Melanie, it's your first time up in the Bighorns. I'm putting her on a spot. She didn't know I was turning the camera on. What do you think so far? So Melanie, it's your first time up in the Bearlodge Mountains, not the Bighorns. She did not know I was turning the camera on here. So we're putting her on the spot. What do you, yes, cattle guard. There we go. What do you think of the Bearlodge Mountains so far?
They're beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah.
There you go. Now you have it. Bearlodge Mountains are absolutely beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. If you're in Wyoming, check out Bearlodge Mountains, check out Devil's Tower. They're awesome. Okay, so we're nearly back out of the forest. We'll be back to pavement soon. The real reason we came up here today was just to look around and enjoy, a day trip and some scenery. And so I could show Melanie around a bit, because she hadn't been up here before. And I've been up here many times and made videos up here, taking a lot of photos up here. So it was just to look around, really. Upshot was we did find a couple places we may be able to camp, which is exciting. So we'll be coming back. I think probably sometime in the future we'll come back and try camping up here. That's fun. I used to camp up here a few times this summer in these mountains, but after that one spot I knew, is the only spot I knew that had cell signal and enough sun for solar up here, and it had got put on internet, and it was like always, like today we went by, there's people there, and there's always been people there anytime I've been over here. So I haven't camped up here since then. And if you're new to the channel, you may be wondering, why does that matter? Because I know anytime I mention something like that, somebody's ends up commenting about how they go out in the wilderness to avoid all that stuff, and that's great if you can do that. We do that sometimes. As we're recording this, I don't know when this will air, as we're recording this video, last week we were up in the Bighorn Mountains in Wyoming, and we were 3 days without a cell signal at any of the places, 3 nights at any of the places we camped, at 3 different places. And that's fine if you're on vacation. Melanie and I are both digital nomads, so sometimes we go out and we want to get out in the boondock and enjoy nature, but we have to be able to work while we're there, especially if we're going out for a week or 2 weeks. And that means we need 2 things: sunlight for solar, so we have electricity, and a cell signal so we can get connected and be online for work. So sometimes we need those things, and it was exciting because we found another couple campsites with some adventuring and exploring that might just work. So we'll probably be back soon to check those out. All right, so we're almost back. We're going through this lovely area. There's some farms out here, just pastoral scenes, and I just always love going through here, even though we're almost back to civilization, which is always a little bit depressing in its own way, because I love being out in the wilderness, in the backcountry. So before we go, guys, I need your help here. It's 2:35. It's almost 5 o'clock. We're more than an hour from home. One of my favorite restaurants in the world is here in Sundance, Wyoming, which we're going to be coming to soon. I'm trying to convince Melanie that she should let me take her out for dinner since we're here and we've been working so hard filming this video for you guys and everything. She calls herself Miserly Mel. She doesn't like me spending money. And that's a good thing. I applaud that. But once in a while, you know, you gotta get treated a little bit. You gotta spoil your lady, right? Am I right? Hold on, we got a deer. Hold on. All right, we saw the deer. That was fun. You always got to pause for wildlife, right? Anyway, I'm trying to convince Melanie if we should go out for dinner. So if you guys gang up on her and you advocate for me right now in the comments, hit the like button as an upvote and then leave a comment if I should take Melanie out for dinner. Maybe that will persuade her. Let me know. Help me out, guys. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already for more travel related content like this, and we will catch you in the next video. Right back there on the other side of the street, we're parked on the wrong side of the road, is dinner.